Is it safe to pour bleach down the drain?
Hello there. Today we're tackling a common question many homeowners have. Is it safe to pour bleach down the drain? You may use bleach for various cleaning tasks around your home, but when it comes to your drains, there are some important considerations to keep in mind.
What happens when you pour bleach down the drain?
When you pour bleach down the drain, it goes through your plumbing system and into your local wastewater treatment facility or your septic system. Bleach is a powerful chemical that can kill bacteria and other organisms. This sounds like it might be beneficial, but remember, your septic system or the wastewater treatment facility relies on certain bacteria to break down waste. When bleach destroys these bacteria, it can disrupt this process.
Can bleach damage your plumbing?
While bleach is not directly harmful to most types of plumbing, it can contribute to the deterioration of old pipes. Over time, consistent exposure to bleach can cause old, fragile pipes to become brittle and more prone to leaks or breaks.
Are there environmental impacts?
Bleach is a chemical compound that can have environmental impacts if it enters water bodies without proper treatment. It can be toxic to aquatic life and harm the ecosystem. Always remember, what goes down the drain often ends up in our waterways. Therefore, using bleach sparingly and responsibly is of utmost importance.
What are the alternatives?
If you're looking to unclog your drain, there are many alternatives to using bleach. Natural options such as a plunger, a plumber's snake, or a combination of baking soda and vinegar can be very effective in many situations. These methods are safer for your plumbing and the environment. In conclusion, while it may not cause immediate harm, pouring bleach down the drain regularly can lead to potential issues in the long term. It can disrupt the essential bacteria in septic systems and wastewater treatment facilities, potentially deteriorate old pipes, and may harm the environment. Instead, consider using less harmful alternatives for maintaining clean and functional drains. We hope this video has been helpful in answering your question. Always remember, it's better to be safe than sorry when it comes to your home and the environment.